Welcome to this video on personal finance and the psychology of money. Money is a topic that affects everyone, but our relationship with money is often shaped by our psychology and experiences. In this video, we'll explore some of the insights from the Psychology of Money book by Morgan Housel and how they can help us have a better relationship with money. Insight 1. Theory isn't reality. Humans are not ROI-optimizing machines, and our psychology can work for or against us when it comes to money. It's important to recognize that our emotions, biases, and beliefs can influence our financial decisions and outcomes. For example, fear and anxiety can cause individuals to make hasty or conservative financial decisions, even if those decisions may not be optimal in the long term. Similarly, greed and overconfidence can cause individuals to make impulsive decisions without fully considering all relevant information. Insight 2. Money scripts. Money scripts are our unconscious beliefs about money, often rooted in childhood that affect our adult behaviors and perspectives. The Clontz brothers have identified 4 main types of money scripts: money avoidance, money worship, money status, money avoidance, and money vigilance. Money avoiders can have negative ideas about wealth and understand having less as morally sound. They may unconsciously not allow themselves to do well or even save up. Money worshippers believe wealth is the key to solving all their problems and finding happiness. Money worshippers tend to spend too much in the sense of satisfaction and meaning they'll get from buying things. Money status seekers often conflate their net worth with their self-worth. Studies find that those who grew up in households with more financial struggles tend to be more vulnerable to later using money to seek status. People who fall into the 4th category, money vigilance, usually tend to be wealthy but still have higher than average financial anxiety. You could be so anxious around money, you hoard it and don't enjoy life, Clontz said. If you find yourself unhappy with your financial life, take some time, interview your family members, and try to figure out why your family has the beliefs around money that they have. Understanding our money scripts can help us identify potential biases and limitations in our financial decision-making. Insight 3. Getting money versus keeping money. Getting money requires taking risks, being optimistic, and putting ourselves out there. Keeping money requires humility, frugality, and an acceptance that at least some of what we've made is attributable to luck. It's important to balance our desire for growth and security when it comes to money. Insight 4. Cash is important. Cash is often seen as a drag on returns, but it can also provide flexibility, optionality, and peace of mind. Having a cash buffer can help us weather unexpected expenses, take advantage of opportunities, and avoid making rash decisions. Cash is among the primary assets that individuals and companies use to pay their obligations and invest. Managing cash is what entities do on a day-to-day basis to take care of the inflows and outflows of their money. Proper cash management can improve an entity's financial situation and liquidity problems. Insight 5. Time, money. Time is a finite resource that we can never get back, while money is a renewable resource that we can always earn more of. Prioritizing our time and using it wisely can help us achieve our financial and personal goals. Insight 6. Room for error. Financial planning involves dealing with uncertainty and risk. Building in a margin of safety, diversifying our investments, and having a plan B can help us avoid catastrophic losses and recover from setbacks. Insight 7. No one's crazy. People have different goals, values, and circumstances when it comes to money. It's important to respect and understand these differences, rather than judging or dismissing them. Insight 8. Freedom. Money can provide us with options, but it can also limit our choices and trap us in a cycle of consumption. True financial freedom comes from having enough money to do what we want, but also having the discipline and wisdom to use it wisely. Conclusion. By understanding the psychology of money and applying these insights to our personal finances, we can have a better relationship with money and achieve our financial goals. Quiz. 1. Which one of our topic do you like more? 2. If you would ask to be among 4 main types of money scripts, which one would it be? Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to achieve financial freedom.